Yeah, you copy Vian. You copy Vian, okay?
In Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Dun, 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 dun. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today. And man will live forever.
You copy Jerosha.
For a moment the world was aglow. All the bells ringing out their tears.
Ah, performer ni Vian ah.
Sing and dance,
There was hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very son to give us. Oh my Lord, that's
Yawin mo ito Pilipinas pa na ipag may busy
You follow Away. What are you doing? You're tired. You go. You follow Vian, Jerosh. Go. You copy.
Okay.
Kailangan na tingala. Off na.
Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very son to give us. Oh my Lord, once more.
Hey! Good job.